We do not check the refrigerator multiple times to find new food. We check to see if our standards have dropped enough to eat what was available.
Bread, Nutella, milk, and marshmallow. Nothing. 4 hours, Nutella, milk, marshmallow. Ah, a feast for a king.
Am I ketchup sandwich hungry yet?
This is the exact same reason I keep texting my ex.
I opened the fridge for the third time the other day, and my wife asked what I was doing. I said, just looking for answers in the fridge. Fuck it, give me the shredded cheese.
Or our mood for what's available.
We do not check Reddit multiple times to find new posts. We check to see if our standards have dropped enough to see reposts.
This is how we start to eat ice cream at dinner.